Launched in 1970. Today I'm going to be installing some replacement tires. These are the Shinko 777s on my 2007 Yamaha V-Star 1300. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is remove the bolts from the side cover for the belt guard. Now I've got it jacked up, of course. I think these 3 bolts hold in. Shall see. Oh, 4. 1 back in there. That looks like the fastest way to get in here is going to be to take chrome tips off, or chrome covers off. Get into this bolt. We'll see. Well, basically had to remove the rear of the exhaust, as you can see, so I can access that bolt. Now I'm going to take the brake caliper off. Maybe. That is a 12 millimeter. I'm just going to move that out of the way. Yep, that was a 12 millimeter also, and that was loose. Loosen this one up. This is an 1 16" nut, and it wants to slide out, so that's good. Pull the adjuster off, and I'll clean that up so I can see the marks. Slide the tire forward as far as I can get it. See if I can work the belt off. Belt guard will come off now. I think we have a guard on top too. Oh, it's heavy. For one-handed. There we go. That wasn't good. I guess that's what was holding that in. Okay, I took the push drive assembly off, or the isolator bushings, wherever they are. Everything looks good there. This looks decent. Feels decent. That's just roller bearings, needle bearings. This one seems okay. I'm going to let the air out of it and see if I can break the bead. I'm going to try to do that over a bucket. Get a bucket once. I'm going to spray the bead down here with some simple green. Maybe. See if I can break the bead with this. And it says, good luck. That fits. Set that up out of the way. Try not to knock it over. Now let's get in there again. Okay, enough of that. Time to try an alternate method. Well, what you didn't see off camera was me fighting this tire to get it off. And I got it cleaned up about as best as I can. I'm going to try cleaning up a little bit more. You can see there's some nicks in here that was not done by me. And it looks like it's got some rim rash. I don't know if the tire went flat one point in time, what the deal was there. It's all right up around in this corner. I'm gonna clean everything up, clean the tire up, or get the new tire ready and then put it on. Okay, I went and I got the tire back on. Took some work the tire didn't want to seal on the bead, so I put a strap on it, got everything cleaned up, washed off. I'm gonna go and balance the tire. Okay, I got the tire all back together. I got the rotor back on. These bolts get torqued down to 18 foot-pounds, and I balanced it out. It took 2 half ounces and a 1/4 ounce, but it seems to be pretty level now, or pretty balanced. So now I'm going to go and put it back in the bike. I got the rear wheel back on. Got some deflection here. Looks pretty good. All these bolts back in. Torque this rear axle nut down to 111 foot-pounds. And now I'm going to put the brakes back on. So I greased the pins and I torqued them to 20 foot-pounds. Torque these nuts down to 10 foot-pounds. Okay, I got this cover back on. I got the exhaust all put back in place. I got to tighten this up yet, and then I should be done with the back. I got the front tire on. I had a couple friends that stopped over, Harley Kid 7 and Test for Echo. They both came over and assisted me with the front tire, and we got everything put back together, torqued back down, and it was easier than a rear tire. That's all I have to say. And we ended up going for like a 100-mile ride together, and everything seems to be good. So there's the front tire, and there's the rear tire, and here's the old tires. You can see the front tire wasn't too bad, but this rear tire is really worn down on the one side for some reason. And it feels like it's got a flat spot. Yeah. But that's it. That'll do it for replacing the front and rear tire on my 2007 Yamaha V-Star Tourer. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.